African swine fever, or ASF, is a serious pig disease that is spread from Africa across the world. ASF continues to kill pigs in the Upper Highlands and has now spread to other parts of the Highlands. ASF will continue to spread and kill our pigs if we do not act now. We can all help stop ASF by stop moving live pigs between provinces, stop carrying pig meat when you travel, stop feeding pigs with food containing pork, and keep your pigs enclosed in fences or pens. Remember, ASF is caused by the ASF virus and not by sangoma. Look out for your pigs being unwell and call Nakia on 180-1332 or your local authorities to report sick or dead pigs. Together, let's stop ASF in PNG.
Authorized by the National Agriculture Quarantine and Inspection Authority.